Today, we are making something legendary, the strawberry cobbler. If you have strawberries at home, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ, then this recipe is for you. It's easier than a pie, ਤੇ taste ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਮਾਲ ਹੈ. Before we bake, ਥੋੜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਚੱਲੀਏ. Did you know the cobbler originated with British settlers in America? ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ traditional baking tools ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, so they improvised. They just cobbled together some fruit and dough. Now, did you know? ਇਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ cobbler ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਿਆ? Because the top looks like a cobblestone street, ਥੋੜਾ uneven ਤੇ rustic. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. ਤੇ ਇੱਕ strawberries ਤੇ ਲਗਭਗ 200 seeds ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. Crazy, right? ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ ingredients note ਕਰੋ. You will need for the filling 250 to 300 grams fresh strawberries, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ secret ingredient 1 tablespoon cornstarch. And for the batter you will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and half a cup melted butter. Now the first step is, in a bowl, mix the strawberries, sugar, lemon juice and cornstarch. Cornstarch बहुत ज़रूरी है because it thickens the sauce into a beautiful glossy sauce. ਇਹਨੂੰ 15 ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਦਿਓ. Now the second step is, in another bowl whisk your dry ingredients, मैदा, sugar, baking powder and salt. ਹੁਣ milk ਪਾਓ ਤੇ mix ਕਰੋ and add the vanilla essence. Remember, don't overmix, बस हल्का जिहा मिलाओ ताकि कोई lumps ना रहन. Now, why we add baking powder instead of baking soda in this recipe? Baking powder provides a reliable, neutral tasting rise, making the topping light and fluffy, whereas baking soda requires an acidic ingredient like buttermilk to activate and produce a metallic taste. Cobblers generally use milk, not acidic ingredients, making baking powder more effective. Now, the third step is, take your baking dish. सब तो पहला melted butter थल्ले पाओ, then pour the batter right on top of the butter. Do not stir. हिलौना बिल्कुल नहीं है. Finally, spoon your thick strawberry mixture over the batter. Now, bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 40 minutes, जब तक topping golden brown ते crispy ना हो जाए. Look at that golden crust and those bubbly berries. देखो कितना सोना रंग आया. Thanks to the cornstarch, the filling is thick and jammy, पतली नहीं है. This is why this recipe rules. Now, let the mixture rest for at least 15 minutes. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. गर्मा गर्म cobbler ते ठंडी ice cream. एक combination ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ बहुत ਵਧੀਆ लगेगा. So why should you make this recipe? It's way easier than pie, no rolling dough or any fancy equipments needed or techniques required. It's a perfect mix of tart berries and a sweet, buttery crust. It makes your house smell like heaven. Do try this at home and menu comments with dasso ke mein banaya. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो. Thank you, bye.